Hello, Earth Angel! Nandito na naman tayo sa aking kaharian. Woo! So, today may share po ako sa inyo kung paano mag-channel sa higher self natin. So, your higher self, that is the divine aspect of yourself. So, ito yung physical body natin. This is our ego self, our animalistic side. And this is our lower nature. And our higher self is the divine, our divine self, the higher self, the higher nature of ourself, now which is connected to the divine na nasa universe, or let's say near kay God. So, yung higher self natin, meron siyang sariling frequency. So, para kang nag-tune in yan sa isang radio station. So, lahat tayo, yung soul natin, meron tayong blueprint, and then we have also we have own frequency. So imagine na yung higher self mo, that is a radio frequency, and then para maka-channel ka sa higher self mo, you need to tuning in sa higher self mo para maka-download po tayo ng mga information, ng mga maka-receive tayo ng mga synchronicity, ng guidance. So bigyan ko po kayo ng highlights. To channel your higher self is kailangan ay we need to follow our excitement, follow your excitement, follow your joy, choosing your happiness, and choosing what lights you up, yung magbibigay sa'yo ng fire energy na very tawag ito, energy generating. Kasi yung higher self natin, bigyan ko po kayo pala ng ng realization para ma-practice po ninyo yung inyong discernment, which is the ability to judge well, para mag-reasoning tayo ng consciousness. So, if there is area in your life na iniisip mo na hindi mo sinusunod yung excitement mo because you have people to someone to care of, or someone you need to be responsible. So yung kumbaga sinasacrifice mo yung happiness mo, yung excitement mo dahil lang doon sa tao na yun, kasi you feel guilt or nakokonsensya ka. So ibig sabihin, kapag ganun yung iyong mindset, yung iyong consciousness, meron kang problema doon sa iyong level of awareness and consciousness mo. Kasi alam niyo po ba, choosing your excitement is the highest form of responsibility. So, bakit ko nasabi it is the highest form of responsibility? Because when you are choosing your excitement, dyan kan, it is the ability to perform very well. Kasi yung, kumbaga, ini-embody mo yung energy ng iyong higher self. Kumbaga, nakakapag-operate ka into 100% potential, 100% capacity ng iyong energy. So imagine kapag nasa energy ka ng higher self mo, ito yung mapifeel mo na very very alive ka. It's good to feel alive. Yung kumbaga very energetic ka, very happy ka, you are full of joy. Kumbaga you feel more alive, more flow. Ano pa ba 'yon? Natatang twister ako. You feel more creative. Kumbaga, kasi pag na-excite ka, kumbaga parang you feel more of yourself. Kumbaga, feeling mo talaga nasa, yung kumbaga parang feel mo talaga nasa alignment ka sa sarili mo. And dahil nasa alignment ka, dyan din yung nagkakaroon ka at nakaka-receive ka ng maraming mga synchronicity. When your dominant thoughts align with your life and become your dominant experience. Kasi mahirap maka-receive ng synchronicity kung wala tayo sa tamang alignment. So, kahit na merong taong dumating sa buhay mo, and then binago yung buhay mo, yung dating mga bad days mo, binago niya, tinulungan ka, binigyan ka ng maraming pera, ng maraming wisdom, and she or he care for you, and then inisip mo na, parang nagulat ka ngayon na hindi ako deserve para sa ganito. So, hindi ka dapat mag-guilt sa situation na yun, even on that scenario. Hindi ka dapat mag-guilt kasi even that people na gustong tumulong sa'yo. Kasi alam nyo po kung bakit hindi tayo dapat mag-guilt. Because even that people na gustong tumulong sa'yo, hinahasa rin nila yung kanilang power. Kumbaga, sinishare nila yung kanilang gift kasi naka-receive sila ng maraming abundance and prosperity, ng maraming gift from the universe. So, ang law ng universe natin, it is always equal. So, hindi ka dapat mag-guilt kung merong mga tao na gustong tumulong sa'yo or merong nagbibigay ng mga blessings sa atin or inisip natin na we are taking for granted. Kasi walang mangyayaring manifestation kung you are not alignment with your true self. Dahil kaya nga nakakaroon tayo ng mga synchronicity ng mga manifestation because nasa alignment tayo, it is always equal. So, every time you are helping other people, you are helping yourself also. So, hindi lang yung, halimbawa sa akin, na mayroon ako mga tutulungan. So, it doesn't mean na ako lang yung palaging tumutulong. In return, yung mga tinutulungan ko, nakakatulong din yun para sa akin, para mag-grow ako, para ma-fulfill ko yung aking mission. So, ang law ng universe, it is always equal. So, kailangan alisin natin yung feeling guilt kasi yung energy ng higher self natin, it is very energy generating. Kumbaga, mahirap makapag-tune in kung palagi tayong nasa low vibration, which is your fear, your guilt, your worries. So, kailangan erase natin yung ating consciousness na everyday lagi tayong nakaka-receive ng fullest blessing from the universe. So, yun lang po. I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo. Kailangan na nating umuwi. So, kung hindi niyo po naiintindihan yung iba, mamaya i-explain ko po sa chat box. Thank you so much, Earth Angel. I love you. Woo!